Hello MathType users! In this video we're going to show you how to install and activate the MathType add-in for Microsoft Word. First you'll need to access the add-ins button, which you can find in the upper right hand corner of the Word document. From there you can type in MathType and you'll find the corresponding add-in. As you can see, the installation is instantaneous, and you can check that it was successful if you see the MathType icon in the Word ribbon. Next, you need to connect the MathType add-in to your Microsoft account. If you have a license associated with that same account, the add-in will activate automatically and you'll be able to insert any type of formula with it. Otherwise, you will need to read and accept the required permissions. After that, you'll be able to use MathType once you enter your product key. If you do not have a product key, you can purchase it through the Wirus store. If you have any kind of problem or question, you can email us at support@wirus.com.